Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change text color in Adobe InDesign. First, open your Adobe InDesign and then select the text. Now, select the part of the text you want to change the color. Now, go to Property menu and then go to Appearance. Now, click on the text icon. From here, you can now change the color of the text. You can also adjust the color whatever you want. You can also make it a monochromatic color. There are plenty variations of colors that you can choose from. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.